In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make drip effect for object in Canva. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean drip effect applied to your object and a finished design downloaded, ready to use. First, open your design in Canva so you're on the canvas where you want the drip effect. Next, upload your object image using Uploads. On the left panel, click Uploads, then use the Upload button to select your image from your device. Once it appears in your Uploads library, it's ready to use. Drag the image onto the canvas. Position it roughly where you want it to appear in your final design. You can fine-tune placement later. Click the image to select it. You should see the editing toolbar appear above the canvas. Click Edit Image, then choose Background Remover. Let Canva process the image for a moment. When it's done, the background will be removed, leaving only your object. This makes the drip effect blend cleanly with the edges of the object. Click Elements on the left panel to open the graphics library. In the search bar at the top, type drip or paint drip and press Enter. You'll see a variety of drip shapes and styles. Choose a drip graphic and add it to the canvas by clicking it once. It will appear on top of your design. Place the drip element under or over the object. If the drip needs to sit behind the object, use the position controls in the top toolbar to move it backward. If it needs to sit on top, bring it forward. The goal is to have the drips align naturally with the bottom edge or surface of your object, as if the object is melting or paint is running from it. Take a moment to slide it into place so the edges look natural. Adjust color, size, and position to match the object. Use the color picker in the top toolbar to set the drip color to match or complement your object. Drag the corner handles to resize the drip element proportionally and nudge it with your arrow keys for precise alignment. If the object has a highlight or shadow, consider matching the drip color closely so the effect feels consistent. Keep checking the edge where the drip meets the object to avoid gaps or overlaps that look unintentional. Group the object and drip element. Hold Shift and click both the object and the drip so they're selected together, then click Group in the top toolbar. Grouping locks them into a single unit so you can move or scale the effect without misalignment. If anything looks off, you can ungroup, make a small adjustment, and group again. Preview the design. Zoom out to see the full layout and confirm the drip effect looks natural at a distance. Check that the colors are consistent, the edges are clean, and the composition feels balanced on the page. Click Share, then Download. Choose your preferred settings if needed, and download your design to your device. This will export the grouped object with the drip effect exactly as you see it on the canvas. That's it. The drip effect for your object in Canva is now complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.